Hello, welcome back to another video of Swift language. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about string. So what is string? String is a sequence of character wrapped in what? Double quotes. Perfect. So what is this? It is simple sequence of characters, or we can say like that the combination of words. This is also called a string. You can write one word or multiples, so this is called a string. So how can we define the string in Swift language? Let's we say let greeting is equal to hello Swift. Perfect. So this is what we have a string in our double quote. You can write anything between them. So this is what we call it, a string. Perfect. And string don't have any limit. You can write unlimited words in a string. Perfect. So this is what strings. So let's say, like, if you want to define, how can you define the multiple lines in a string? So let's say we have like let movie names is equal to, like we say, we can give like a day in a day in the. If we want to break this line, how can we do this? If we want to write in this way, in the life of apple. Perfect. In this way we cannot define our string in multiple lines. So there is another way in which we will define the string and it will not show us error. Like we say, we are getting like here two errors, like undeterminate string literal. So this is what so how can we define this in string? We have to use simple 1 2 3 starting code and the last 3 starting code, and it makes sure it should be on the new line. Let's say if like this and it should be like this. So in this way it will not give us error, and whatever way that we give it sequence, it will give us that also sequence. Like if we skip this, we will show print that one in this way as well. Like let's see like print movie name. Let's print it out. See, we are getting the same way in which we define our string. You can like define in this way. Let's say in this way we'll get the string in this way as well. So this is, strings are very powerful in Swift language, remember that. Perfect. So this is like if you want to count the number of letters in like our string, you can use the method as well. Like we can use the print dot movies name dot con to count. So in this way we will going to count the number of movies. Okay, perfect. In this way 55. See, if I want to close this way, I will get the number less. initial we right now we're getting 55. If I do this, we have got 27 letters. So this is also count that escape button as well. So now we'll get like 4 to 5 more. Yeah, 4 more. So this is all about this string. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in next video.